Alright, I'm going to try to make this quick because the batteries are getting low, but here is the newer control board in the furnace unit. I had to make a little adaptation here. I actually took the little rubber insulator out of a Chevy HEI coil, the little rubber washer that goes between the little pin and the actual coil itself, and I fit it under one of those little feet on the control board, which it worked just fine, and I use that as kind of my other extender because there's one that comes with a kit over here to get you into the right bolt hole. You need two on this one because this is the old control board, and that's how much bigger it is compared to this circuit board. So hopefully this is the right circuit board. I'm gonna do the install, fire up. It's raining outside. It's real pleasant. It's a whopping 33 degrees. Hoping I can get some heat here. Alright, after a frantic search for two decent batteries, wound up finding two, and just to give everybody an update, did get the thermostat back on, although I have it cranked up pretty high there. It's almost up to 60 degrees. It says 53 down here, but up towards the higher elevation here in the RV it's just about 60. Just checking the battery, see where we're at. Half battery there, and I have gotten the furnace to ignite after getting the igniter board in, and that seems to have done the trick, which is terrific. So right now, let me throw some light on this, get some light down here. So we've got, let's get in there, so 217 is what we're looking at, 238, so it's running where it should be, and it's blowing about 180 degrees air coming out, a little hot. But I'm probably hitting a lot of the surfaces, and that's probably really what it's registering, is about 177 degrees on the surface of the burner unit. So my limit switch, I believe, is set to about 200, and right now it's going at about 166, 170. So that's good. I haven't put the cover back on yet because I had to find screws because I couldn't find the old screws, but I got everything else hooked up and up and running. I got to get some odds and ends. So I got the refrigerator cleaned out, and look at that, there's a dome light, or I mean whatever, refrigerator light in there, door light, so that's cool. Smells a little bit like Clorox, but probably could be smell like worse things. So we got that all up and ready to go, and so I gotta do these odds and ends. The other thing I'm doing here is I'm swapping out the plug wires, just making sure I don't get confused this time like I did on the last one, and just slowly going through and swapping out the plug wires, and then I'm going to start her up and let her warm up a little bit. And I haven't put the cover on, so obviously it's not blowing air into the ducts, so it's just blowing air through the one side there. But it appears the burner stayed on. That control board seems to have done the trick, thank goodness. Glad for about 75, 76 bucks, and it fixed the furnace. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.